Okay, I know. Before we actually get into the unboxing video, let me address my desk, okay? I got myself a multifunctional desk pad that I can honestly feel comfortable to place my iPad on, including all my other gadgets. So if you're looking for a desk pad that comes in many colors, make sure you check the description below because I will leave a link down there. So I'm actually doing an unboxing video of the new, as you can see, the new 2020 iPad, not the Air, the Pro. By the time that I actually finally opened this, the iPad Air, the new iPad Air would have already came out, but this has been sitting down for so long because life. But I'm gonna start unboxing it, okay guys? I can see you there and I can see you here. All right, if you are new to my channel, guys, hey, my name is Reggie. You can call me Reggie. And sometimes I do hair videos, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I don't post at all, but we're trying. This is what it is. This is what we're unboxing. Okay. Tired is, I mean, excited is an understatement. I have for you today is the new 2020. I've said this so many times. The new 2020 iPad Pro, and I do have the 12.9 inch. Cause let me explain to you where I came from. If you know what this is before I even say anything, cool. This is what I came from. This is so dirty. This has not been used in a while. But this is the iPad Mini 4 series. Add this to the mix. Why don't we? I am coming from an iPad Mini 4 series. While I was using this iPad Mini, I realized I ended up getting this as a gift. And I realized that, hey, these two aren't compatible. So then I ended up getting, not the greatest alternative, but something from Amazon, which is a 3-in-1 sensitive stylus pen, which, okay, was not the greatest. Like, my experience with this was so horrible to the point where I did not want to get an iPad at all. And here we are now, 2020, with the new iPad Pro. I also got the Apple Pencil, which is also compatible with this. Look at here. This, which I had already, and which I had thought would be compatible with the iPad 4, but the new iPad actually was not. So this is actually only compatible. This is the first one with the iPad Pro first generation, second generation, so the 12.9 inches, the 10.5 inches, 9.7, and the iPad, this small one, but the 6th generation. So we're selling this. Can I just unbox? And I also got the AirPods with it as well, because this did come with the student discounts that they were having. Shall we? Yes, we shall. I don't even know where to start. Okay, look at this. Look, let me unbox this. Let me just unbox this. Let me just be quiet and unbox this, okay? It's huge. It is huge. It's huge. This is the 12.9 inch 4th generation. This came out in January of this year. Okay. It really, like, from the looks of this, just looking at it like this, I feel like I just went to go and purchase the MacBook Air. Look how thin this is. What comes in the box? Alright, so you have your owner's manual, the red pamphlet. Have your cube charger with USB-C port. We know how we feel about USB-C port. And then you have your USB-C cords as well, so that's really, really good. Like, I know people are so big on this damn stickers. That's some fancy regular stickers. I've had this sitting in my room for 3 weeks prior to actually opening it up, so imagine how I feel. look at it. Oh, I don't want to touch the screen. Like, I can feel that glass. Like, this is huge. Gosh, what is the difference? Okay, already. This came out in 2018, 2020, okay? I am here for the bezel of it. I'm not fond of the roundness of this. That also comes with the new iPhone, like the 11s and stuff. I'm more here for this square, more sharp edge, and the more, like, it just looks clean. Like, space gray is just beautiful. Oh, I did get it engraved, but I wonder if I should have gotten engraved, because I'm gonna be, I mean, down the line, somewhere down the line, I'm not gonna sell this, but this is beautiful. Okay, so let's look at some differences. So of course, USB-C port. This is not Touch ID. You know, the Apple Air, the iPad Air is actually Touch ID now, but this is Face ID. So of course you have the same stuff. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 speaker parts. No, mics. No, speakers. Sorry, speakers for audio. So imagine the sound. I actually can't wait to try the sound. Do you have 4 speakers too? 2 speakers. I would hope it comes charged already. Oh! Why wouldn't you do that? Like, I don't understand. Why wouldn't you do that? Like, now I'm annoyed. Why you wouldn't have it charged a bit? Like, sometimes you guys have a little bit of battery life in it, so why don't you just come with all right, I mean, we're gonna have to use this eventually. Okay, so let's look at the charger. USB-C port, which is amazing because we need that fast, because we're gonna need that fast lightning stuff, you know. Oh, great. And then our charging cord. Not, let's go on the internet. Let's see. There has to be a way to. Oh! Genuinely happy about this. You see what I mean? Wait, you can't be a bit bigger? Hey. Oh, you know what would have been great? Apple, here's your update, Apple, okay? Let me customize the size. Let me be able to customize this. No, let me be able to customize the size. I just really want to hear the sound. I want to hear the sound. I want to hear the sound. Who's that? No way. Don't mind if I do. What video should we watch? Most natural crochet ever. Okay. I don't hear the sound. Welcome to itsgogina. My name is Regina, aka Reggie. Call me Reggie. So for today, before I start off with this video, I just want to say that I'm going to be starting. Okay. To show you guys the cause and effect. Did I really come online looking like this? sound is...
Spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire,
Is this a speaker?
messages that forge brighter connections,
This is speakers. This is speakers. This
If
is...
Pyros and Crips all got along, they probably gun me down by the end of the song. It's me, every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 man down.
Okay.
Need you to pray for me, man. Need you to pray for me.
I'm gonna have a blast.
Working on a weekend like usual.
No. That's so wonderful. I know a lot of people know what Paperlike is, like the actual brand Paperlike, but I didn't get that. I just got one from Amazon, and I hope this is good, because to be honest, the way that this feels, like this glass on top of a plastic Apple Pencil, I'm not doing that. And I really want that whole feel of you know, Paper-like feel, like when I'm drawing. Like I want it to feel good as well. I don't want it to be extra smooth where there's grease. Like look at this. So hopefully, yes, we're putting this on ourselves. So it does come with two, right? Yes, 2 pieces of the paper. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Nope, that's not it. I'm having a hard time. Okay, I'm gonna need that to smoothen it out. We don't want air bubbles, right? Let me roll up my sleeve. You know what I should do actually though? One thing I should do was actually read the instructions. And just to do that, whenever you have a QR code, all you gotta do is, I mean, at this time, a lot of us know what's happening. So this is the Belmont screen protector that is Paper-like. And this is for the 12.9 iPad Pro. I'm just gonna watch a video to see what they're really saying, to be honest. And that about wraps it up for this unboxing video. There was so much I can really speak about the iPad Pro. I have been using it for a whole month now, so I'll definitely be getting into the details, whether or not it was a good purchase. A lot. So make sure you are subscribed, and if you did like this video, let me know what you loved about it. Make sure you share with someone, and I will see you guys in the next video.